Good morning. It's a frigid Saturday morning here in Edmonton, Alberta. It's about minus 30 degrees Celsius. I've got a helper here today because of that. This is Clark.
Hi.
He's going to help me actually install some of the poly and the setup for the spray booth, the portable temporary DIY spray booth that's going in here. The plan is it's going to be about this area of the garage, with the door being the back part. Might even use some magnet tape back there. It'll be suspended and attached with excess casing that I have from some renos that we've been doing, both top and bottom, to make it nice and stable. And then that should then be held with some clips on the side. Hopefully it's going to be great, because I am looking forward to starting to paint some motorcycle parts and some bikes as well. Just can't wait to get into that and start getting going. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Okay, so I've got the walls up. Looks like the system's gonna work with a weight kind of at the bottom with the casing that I've got there. Again, attached at the top as best as I can do. I've actually got the light on the inside of it as well, which is beautiful. I think this will roll up nicely. I'll be able to use some either some sort of strap or a bungee cord to keep everything up there, probably 2 per board there. I think this is gonna work. We're gonna see. I now just have to figure out my stands for the painting, and then I can get to mixing my colors and getting going here. So let's go.